As time goes on, how important is it to preserve the past? One group, Obsolescence Guaranteed, argues that it's critical, especially when it comes to the conservation of computing history and the machines that shaped the microcomputer revolution. We caught up with the group's founder, who told us more about their mission.
I'm Oscar Vermeulen. I've been playing with historical computers for a long time. I started making replica kits, I think 10 years ago, just by myself. And then more and more people joined in with better simulators, more reconstructed historical software. And we made a couple more of these replicas. So that became an informal group called Obsolescence Guaranteed. So we have now a micro factory in Panama making historical computer replicas, which, if we can boast, is the largest computer manufacturer of Latin America, because the only one. It turned out there's a huge interest in that. So if you look at that Obsolescence Guaranteed and the Google groups that we maintain for the replicas, there's a whole community of, I guess, 10,000 people right now. Some people just like them as decorative objects in the living room. Others actually start playing with them or even programming them.
Here at Cybercrime magazine, we fall into the latter category. Vermeulen sent us a model PDP-11, known as a PDP-11. We had a great time assembling it and wanted to know more about why replica computers are so highly valued.
The generation of people that actually worked with them is getting old. In the case of the PDP-11, they're starting to pass away. With that, the living memory passes away. And so to look at an object as a dead artifact and to read about it is one thing, but to actually play with the operating system, play with the software, see the blinky lights on the front panel, that makes you really understand the machine. You preserve the hands-on experience of these machines.
To learn more about replica computers, visit obsolescence.dev.